urban air mobility, envisions flying taxis and drones transforming city commutes. This future promises efficient, sustainable transportation solutions. Traffic congestion wastes time and pollutes cities. Urban air mobility offers a radical reimagining of urban transportation. Technological advancements are making flying taxis a reality. eVTOL aircraft can take off and land vertically, integrating into urban spaces.
Robust regulations and public acceptance are key for UAM success. Infrastructure integration requires careful planning and investment.
Cities like Dubai and Singapore lead UAM pilot projects. Global efforts are shaping the future of urban air mobility. Dubai, a city of architectural ambition and technological innovation, leads in urban air mobility. In 2017, Dubai's autonomous air taxi test flight showcased the future of UAM. Witnessed by Sheikh Hamdan, this event marked a pivotal moment in UAM evolution. The electric AAT soared above Dubai, hinting at a future with common air taxis. This test flight underscored Dubai's commitment to UAM innovation. Singapore, a strategic embrace of aerial innovation. Singapore, renowned for its strategic foresight, recognizes the transformative potential of urban air mobility, or UAM. With limited land and high population density, UAM offers a solution to alleviate congestion. CAS leads in establishing guidelines for UAM operations, ensuring safe integration. In 2019, Singapore showcased the Volocopter 2X, highlighting UAM's potential for urban air taxi services.
Section 3, the United States navigating the regulatory landscape. The United States is witnessing a resurgence of excitement and investment in urban air mobility, or UAM. A diverse ecosystem of companies is developing eVTOL aircraft and autonomous drone technologies. The FAA presents both opportunities and hurdles for UAM companies. The FAA is prioritizing safety and working closely with industry stakeholders. Several pilot programs and demonstration projects are underway across the United States. The skies above American cities may soon be abuzz with the quiet hum of electric aircraft. Section 1, the regulatory horizon, charting a course for safe and efficient UAM. As the allure of urban air mobility, or UAM, continues to captivate imaginations and inspire innovation, a critical question emerges. How do we ensure the safe, efficient, and responsible integration of this transformative technology into our already complex airspace? The answer lies in the development of a robust and adaptable regulatory framework, one that fosters innovation while upholding the paramount importance of safety and public acceptance. Traditional aviation regulations, primarily designed for larger aircraft operating in structured airspace, are ill-suited to the unique characteristics and operational requirements of UAM. eVTOL aircraft, with their ability to take off and land vertically and navigate dense urban environments, present both opportunities and challenges for regulators tasked with maintaining order in the skies. The regulatory landscape for UAM is still under development, with aviation authorities around the world grappling with the complexities of this emerging industry. Key areas of focus include aircraft certification, pilot licensing, airspace management, noise mitigation, and data security. Striking the right balance between ensuring safety and fostering innovation is crucial, as overly burdensome regulations could stifle the growth of this nascent industry. A collaborative approach involving regulators, industry stakeholders, and the public is essential for creating a regulatory environment that enables the safe and responsible development of UAM. Open dialogue, data sharing, and a willingness to adapt to evolving technologies will be paramount as we navigate this uncharted territory together. Section 2. The FAA leading the charge in UAM integration. In the United States, the Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, stands at the forefront of UAM regulation, tasked with the formidable responsibility of integrating this revolutionary technology into the world's busiest and most complex airspace. The FAA, long recognized as a global leader in aviation safety, is approaching UAM with a balanced approach, prioritizing safety while also fostering innovation and enabling the growth of this nascent industry. Recognizing that UAM presents unique challenges and opportunities, the FAA has embarked on a comprehensive effort to develop a regulatory framework specifically tailored to the needs of this emerging sector. This includes establishing clear standards for eVTOL aircraft certification, addressing the complexities of piloting and air traffic control in urban airspace, and addressing public concerns regarding noise pollution and safety. One of the FAA's key initiatives is the development of a UAM pilot program, which will allow select companies to conduct real-world testing of UAM operations in designated urban environments. These pilot programs will provide valuable data and insights into the operational challenges and opportunities presented by UAM, helping to inform the development of future regulations and standards. The FAA is also actively engaged in international collaboration efforts, working with other aviation authorities around the world to harmonize regulations and ensure interoperability as UAM operations expand globally. This collaborative approach is essential for creating a seamless and efficient global UAM ecosystem. Section 3. Global Harmonization, a symphony of international collaboration. As urban air mobility, or UAM, transcends geographical boundaries, so too must the regulatory frameworks governing its operation. International collaboration and harmonization of standards are essential for creating a seamless and efficient global UAM ecosystem, enabling the safe and interoperable operation of eVTOL aircraft and other aerial vehicles across borders. The International Civil Aviation Organization, or ICAO, a specialized agency of the United Nations, plays a pivotal role in fostering global cooperation in the field of civil aviation. ICAO develops international standards and recommended practices, or SARPs, that serve as the foundation for aviation regulations worldwide, ensuring a high level of safety and interoperability across different countries and regions. In response to the emergence of UAM, ICAO has established a dedicated working group to develop global standards for eVTOL aircraft and UAM operations. This working group brings together experts from aviation authorities, industry stakeholders, and international organizations to address key regulatory challenges including aircraft certification, airspace management, and pilot licensing. The harmonization of UAM regulations on a global scale is crucial for several reasons. First, it ensures a consistent level of safety and security for UAM operations worldwide, reducing the risk of accidents and incidents. Second, it facilitates the development of a global UAM market, allowing manufacturers and operators to scale their businesses across borders without facing a patchwork of conflicting regulations. Finally, it promotes innovation by creating a level playing field for companies from different countries to compete and collaborate in this rapidly evolving industry.
Section 1. Reshaping the urban fabric. The advent of urban air mobility, or UAM, heralds a profound shift in our relationship with urban spaces, promising to reshape the very fabric of our cities. No longer will our movements be confined to the limitations of roads and rails. Instead, the sky itself will become an extension of our transportation network, offering a new dimension of freedom and flexibility in how we live, work, and interact with our surroundings. Imagine a city where the relentless march of traffic congestion fades into a distant memory, replaced by the graceful ascent and descent of eVTOL aircraft, their electric hum a subtle symphony of progress. The daily commute, once a source of frustration and lost productivity, transforms into an opportunity to soar above the fray, enjoying panoramic views of the cityscape below. The integration of UAM into our cities will necessitate a reimagining of urban planning and infrastructure. Vertiports, those bustling hubs of aerial activity, will become integral components of our urban landscapes, strategically located atop buildings, in parking lots, and within existing transportation hubs. These vertiports will serve as gateways to the sky, connecting people and goods to destinations across the city with unprecedented speed and efficiency. As UAM becomes increasingly prevalent, we can expect to see a shift in urban design principles. Buildings will be designed with rooftop vertiports in mind, seamlessly integrating these aerial gateways into their architectural DNA. Green spaces and public parks, once fragmented by roadways, could be reconnected as UAM routes bypass ground-level barriers, creating a more livable and sustainable urban environment. Urban air mobility transforms urban real estate, reaching into the heart of our cities. Accessible skies shift urban space value, unlocking new possibilities for developers and planners. Proximity to vertiports will determine property value, much like subway stations today. Rooftop vertiports will command premium prices, attracting residents and businesses. UAM breathes new life into underutilized urban spaces. Rooftops become prime real estate, transformed into vertiports and gardens. Parking garages repurposed as vertical farms or logistics hubs. UAM integration alleviates urban sprawl, reducing long commutes. Efficient UAM transport reduces long commutes, enhancing urban-suburban connectivity. This shift fosters sustainable, livable communities, preserving green spaces.
The transformative potential of urban air mobility extends far beyond the realm of personal transportation, offering compelling benefits for businesses, logistics providers, and the very fabric of urban commerce. The speed, efficiency, and flexibility of UAM have the potential to revolutionize supply chains, enhance productivity, and create new opportunities across a wide range of industries. Imagine a world where goods and services move seamlessly through the urban airspace, bypassing the constraints of ground-based transportation. Drones, with their ability to navigate dense urban environments and deliver payloads with precision, will become indispensable tools for businesses seeking to optimize their logistics operations and enhance customer satisfaction. For businesses operating in sectors such as e-commerce, healthcare, and food delivery, UAM offers the potential to significantly reduce delivery times, optimize inventory management, and enhance the overall customer experience. The ability to deliver time-sensitive goods, such as medical supplies or perishable items, quickly and reliably will become increasingly valuable in the fast-paced world of urban commerce. Beyond logistics, UAM has the potential to transform business travel, reducing travel times, and increasing productivity for executives and employees alike. eVTOL aircraft, with their ability to operate from vertiports located in close proximity to business centers, could offer a compelling alternative to ground-based transportation, allowing executives to attend meetings, visit clients, or travel between offices with unprecedented speed and efficiency.
Urban air mobility represents more than a technological leap. It signifies a paradigm shift in urban environments. Cities are poised to embrace the sky, unlocking a new era of urban living. UAM can reshape cities, reduce congestion, and enhance quality of life. Imagine skies alive with electric aircraft, seamless air services, and breathtaking commutes. This future, however, is not without challenges. Robust regulations and public safety are paramount. Thoughtful consideration of social and economic implications is essential. The journey towards widespread urban air mobility will be a gradual evolution, marked by technological advancements, regulatory adaptations, and a collective embrace of this new paradigm in transportation. Just as the automobile transformed our cities and our lives in the 20th century, so too will UAM redefine urban mobility in the 21st century, ushering in an era of unprecedented connectivity, efficiency, and opportunity. As we navigate this exciting frontier, it is essential to approach UAM with a sense of shared responsibility and a commitment to collaboration. Governments, industry leaders, researchers, and the public must work together to ensure that UAM is developed and implemented in a safe, sustainable, and equitable manner, harnessing its transformative potential to create a better future for all. The future of urban mobility is no longer bound by the limitations of our roadways. It is taking flight, soaring towards a future where the sky is no longer the limit, but the beginning of a new era of urban exploration and innovation. As we embrace this future, let us do so with a sense of wonder, responsibility, and a shared commitment to creating a world where the benefits of urban air mobility are accessible to all. Join us next time on license number 333 as we continue to explore the cutting-edge innovations shaping our world. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more thrilling content.